Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ben. We back with another video. Today I'm gonna do my grocery haul. Take you guys to the store, show you guys what I get when I go grocery shopping, why I get the stuff I get, and yeah, hopefully you can get something from this, making better choices. Without further ado, I'll see you guys at the store. Haha, just kidding. We're back in the car. Not at the store yet. Just want to let y'all know what I'm sipping on. Coffee. Every morning. Caffeine. Keeps me going. Keeps me going. One note I wanted to make about caffeine. You should be cycling off of caffeine. I know a lot of you guys out there just keep upping the doses and upping the doses of caffeine because your body just builds up a tolerance to it. So what I've been doing at the end of every month, I cut out caffeine for an entire week, considered cycling off, and then when you come back on caffeine, the pump is literally just insane when you get back on. And the caffeine, like, it just hits so different. Not even from like a health perspective, but like also like just saving money. Because I know like some of you guys are probably drinking so much coffee, spending hella money on K-cups, and then on top of that, you got pre-workouts that you're double scooping, triple scooping. You're gonna need to keep buying pre-workouts. If you cycle off for a week, you're off pre-workout for an entire week. You're off coffee for an entire week. I drink decaf because I love coffee, so I gotta keep drinking coffee. Just wanted to inform you guys about caffeine and cycling off to keep your tolerance as low as possible, because that's what you want your caffeine tolerance to be. You want it to be lower so that you can get the same effects at a lower dose, so that you're not spending money, not taking an unhealthy dose of caffeine every day. And yeah, so I hope you guys can learn something from that. And I'll see you guys at the stove. Peace. Turn this off before I get copyrighted. Young Pinch is the GOAT. If you're not listening to Young Pinch, I don't know what to tell you. But went to Aldi. I honestly don't even know why. I only got chicken, Greek yogurt, bread, and some like popcorn seasoning, and then that pasta sauce. But yeah, like, if you're balling on a budget, bro, go to Aldi. Aldi is so cheap. Like, literally, I only went there because the chicken is $1.89 a pound. Like, can't beat it, can't beat it. But now we're at Walmart, and I'm gonna grab a little more stuff. But one little tip I had for you guys: park far away when you go to the store. You're gonna get your steps up, you're gonna burn more calories, and you're gonna get shredded, bro. Like, why are you not parking farther away? And another thing, be a good civilian. If you see any carts laying around, go up to them and put them back. Burning extra cows, and you're being a good civilian. Come on. But we're gonna go into Walmart now and get some more stuff. Show you guys what I get. Eee. Why toothbrush is so expensive? Who's dropping 200 on a toothbrush? What the fuck? Alright boys, that's it. See y'all at the crib. I feel like a king right now. What's up guys? We're back from the store. Went to Aldi and then Walmart, but I don't want to waste your time. I want to get right into this and explain why I get this stuff right here. Rice cakes. I go with the plain ones as they are 35 calories. You could get the flavored ones if you prefer them, but they are 50 to 60 calories. So getting the plain ones, you'll save a lot of calories if you're eating a lot of rice cakes. Yeah. Next, bread, 45 calories per slice. Game changer right here. Save calories on bread. Once again, going for the lower calorie option. Teriyaki marinade. I use this when I prep my chicken, my shrimp. Most like protein sources, I prefer like a teriyaki sauce. So I'll just marinate it in like a serving or two of this. It's 20 calories per tablespoon. I don't track it. I don't need to be that exact with my diet right now. So yeah, I'll put a couple servings of this with my chicken, shrimp whenever I prep, and then air fry it. So yeah. Next we got plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. Once again, non-fat, less calories. 170 gram serving, which is 2/3 of a cup, is 90 calories. Then I have the Skittles, the flavor packs. These are like drink mixes that you mix with water. You put them in your water. People might not like these because they're artificial sweeteners or whatever. I don't care. These make me drink more water. I drink like 2 gallons a day right now, thanks to this. Yeah, just flavoring your water in general gets you to drink more water. I promise. Try it for yourself. This bad boy right here, I haven't tried peach yet, but I have tried the strawberry over here. 0 calories, once again, saving on calories. And it's carbonation, so it's going to keep you fuller. Then we have cotton candy. Sparkling water, same as this, but just in a different container. This is a key that I've been recently implemented in my diet. Alaskan pink salmon, but in a can, so it's a lot cheaper than buying actual salmon. Now don't get me wrong, like I would eat salmon, like fresh salmon, every day if I could, but like that is way too expensive for me. I'm not buying that much salmon all the time. I'm not trying to blow my wallet out, and the canned is obviously a lot cheaper, so go with that. Get your omega-3s in. Very important that you get your omega-3s in. Now we get into the Jello pudding mixes. These are literally staples in my diet. Like you can do so many things with these. I usually mix them with like Greek yogurt, and it makes it like a thicker consistency, so I can like spread it on like my rice cakes or bread, my French toast, like stuff like that. I got chocolate, French vanilla, and I found this one, banana cream. Crazy. Got more over here, another chocolate one. And we got regular Jello, not pudding. Lime. I just wanted to try this. I don't know. And we got these. These were at Aldi as well. I haven't seen these before, so I just picked them up. Ranch and nacho cheddar for my popcorn. I eat popcorn every day, so just gotta season it up a little bit. Ugh. Another one, chili lemon. Obviously, we got chicken breast. Come on. In my opinion, I'm pretty sure it's the cheapest protein source, like per pound or like per serving. I like chicken a lot. You can do a lot of stuff with it. I air fry it. I make like chicken nuggets with vegetables. Great meals with the chicken, and very cheap. This is another game changer. Tomato basil pasta sauce. 45 calories for a half cup. It makes like anything taste like pizza. I don't know what it is. It's weird. So gas. Put it on my chicken, my salads, vegetables, all of that. And this is another diet soda. I guess it's not really soda. Sparkling water, strawberry. 0 calories once again. Boom. And I saw these in like the pharmacy section. 4-a-day weekly pill planner. Every morning I go and I gotta like open each pill container, pop it, drink water. So like today I'm probably gonna fill all these up with like one of each pill, so I can just open it up, pop it in my hand, and just take all of them all at once. Saves time. It was like $4, so. And the last food item, I just saw this. It is fruity cereal protein powder. It was 20 bucks, so I was like, alright, might as well try it out real quick. And then if I like it, I'll just keep getting it, you know? And it's cheap. 1 scoop, and it's 100 calories, and it's 22 grams of protein. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I got this. I thought it was pretty funny. It's a gel eye mask for like sleeping. So it's got like all these like Orbeez almost, if you guys know what Orbeez are. And I'll put this over my face when I'm sleeping. We are going to be sleeping like queens out here, yo. But yeah, that's my grocery haul. Thank you guys for watching. If you're here right now, I appreciate you. If you have not already, please like the video, support your boy, comment for the algorithm. And if you don't know what to comment, comment fire. Comment fire if you made it this far. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button right now so you're notified whenever I post. And I'll see you guys in the next video.